Crazy Turtle, and I'm feeling the need for a little more zen and calm in my life. So what do? I bake cookies. And today I want to share with you my favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe, a classic. So I've already creamed 2 sticks of butter. They were room temperature. And I am going to add a cup of brown sugar. Then half a cup of white sugar. And with our sugars nicely incorporated, we're going to add some liquid. So I'm adding 3 eggs. And a sploosh of vanilla. And that is a technical term. And now I will slowly add my dry ingredients, the 2.5 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of salt. Now this is what I was talking about when I want to feel a little more zen, is because this process, I could dump all this together, but this is a slower process. And I think the cookies, it's just more fully incorporated and they just come out better. So our cookie dough is almost ready. I am just going to add a full package of chocolate chips. Because we do like our cookies chocolatey. So this is the next step. This is why I was talking about wanting to slow things down, is because I like to baby my cookies. And my oven's preheating right now to 350 degrees. I like my chocolate chip cookies softer. So I will bake them for about 10 minutes, pull that tray out, let them cool for 2 minutes, put a new tray in, and kind of repeat that process until all of the dough is done. I do not want to go through all this hard work and have cookies that are disappointing. So this is what's helping me slow down, and all I have to worry about is making yummy cookies. How wonderful. So we are just going to, on a baking sheet with parchment paper, I really like using that. And I have one of these nice little scoops. I know I don't like to use a ton of special equipment, I guess, in the kitchen. This is multifaceted. It is so handy. And cookie dough is very sticky. So if you're using 2 spoons and trying to get those out, it's a very tough process. So, and this is also helping me get my cookies evenly shaped. So I will see you back when they're all done and show you how nice and tender they'll be. So here is a small plate of my cooled, delicious chocolate chip cookies. They are thinner because we used butter, but they are so nice and tender. So if this is the way you like your chocolate chip cookies, please give this recipe a try. You will have tons of fans begging you to make them again. Thanks so much for tuning in to Crazy Turtle. Please like, subscribe. I want to make more content for you and share all the fun stuff that I have discovered in the kitchen. Thanks so much for, again, tuning in, and take care.